Hey everybody, and welcome back. We just got sent the brand new 2025 massage chair from Real Relax. I've gotten the chair out of the box. It does come basically fully assembled. I've only been testing this out for a few minutes and I'm already extremely impressed. Back and forth, like sort of like pounding motions, and then they'll do the circles and they'll switch directions, and it changes throughout the massage, especially if you're using one of the presets. Down into the legs and on the calf part, you'll get the inflated cushions that squeeze your calves, also very nice. And it squeezes around your top of your foot. And they are listed across the bottom of the panel as well if you want to push the button up here, or you can cycle through them with the button there. When the chair is in use, it does light up an LED strip along the edge, which looks really cool. It's a very modern, sleek design. I've been using this massage chair now every day, and it is absolutely fantastic. I can honestly say that this is the best designed and most comfortable massage chair I have ever sat in. I love having this in my home, and I think you will too.